Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Oh, did you notice? I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely, I'll show you another way.
To create a McLaren 750s inspired by the real car and the MINI GT collection, and to experience how it feels to drive it virtually like in real life. Follow this video for the next 5 minutes. We'll be creating the McLaren 750s in GTA 5. First, open your in-game mobile phone, go to the internet. Then head to Travel Transport tab. Then head to Benny's Motorworks. Then go to Stock. And scroll down to find the PROGEN Itali GT. Purchase it in black color for $1,189,000 and place it in your garage or auto shop. Now let's apply the custom settings to replicate that McLaren 750s in GTA 5. Customization settings as this. Armor leave as is. Brakes, none. Bumpers, front bumpers stock bumper. Rear bumper carbon camber diffuser. Engine block, EMS upgrade level 4. Exhausts, chrome triple slotted exhaust. Hoods, custom instep hood. Horn, keep it as it is. Lights, headlight, xenon or stock. Neon kits, leave as is. Mirrors, stock mirrors. Plate, leave as is. Primary color. Still brushed black steel. Secondary color. Metallic midnight sliver. Roof, whole carbon roof. Skirts, stock skirts. Spoiler, custom body wing. Transmission, street transmission. Turbo, none. Wheels. Wheels type. Street. Stock rims. Synthetic Z concave. Wheels color, frost white. Tires, keep as it is. Windows, dark smoke. Now let's take it out for a test drive in GTA 5.